Hi, this is the first video in a series of smaller videos that I'm gonna do to cover some smaller topics and to talk about what I'm doing right now. Today I was gonna talk a little bit about Android development. I am an iOS developer in Swift, and all my videos so far has been Swift videos. But right now I'm also looking into Kotlin development for Android. Right now I'm working on a couple of projects where the structure is I'm building an iOS app in Swift, an Android app in Kotlin, and I'm also building the backend system in Python in the Django framework. So there are a few projects working with this technology, so I will be talking about different parts of that over the coming videos. If you're an iOS developer and you want to look into Android development, I would recommend that you at least take a look at Kotlin. It's quite interesting. I'm following a course on Lynda, which is called Moving Your iOS App to Android Using Kotlin. I do know Android development since before, and I know a bit of Kotlin, but this course is great for showing what's that part in Swift, what's it called in Kotlin, and so on. So if you have a Lynda account, I would recommend to check that out. If you're new to Kotlin, there is the kotlinlang.org for the language. Not so Android focused, so this is more the language focused, just like swift.org is for the Swift language. What you see here is that you can build applications for Android, of course, but also for the browser. You can build Kotlin code that gets translated into JavaScript. And then there's native, which is compiled Kotlin, which is quite cool. You can there has been iOS apps built on using Kotlin, so that's something that is coming. And I would hope that in the coming months that at least will be an option to build your at least some common code for both iOS and Android in Kotlin. If you're new to Kotlin, this is what does it look like. And knowing Swift, it's very much alike, like function, main, print. Let's see, let's look at some example. Here is Kotlin for the server side. That's also an option. You can build backend system in it. Let's do an example of basic. So this is a basic function, sum with parameters and return type. And here we see they also have what we have in Swift with inferred types. So we set the variable like this, x equals 5, which makes x an int like this. And they also have the thing which in Swift with the optionals. So something is nullable, and just like in Swift, we have for unpacking variables. So if it's optional with the exclamation mark. So it's a language that is very, very close to Swift. It's developed by JetBrains, which does a lot of software development tools. So if you're a background in iOS development and know Swift and you want to peek into the world of Android, I would recommend taking a look at Kotlin. I hope to share what I learn over the coming weeks. All right. Until next time, please subscribe and share this video if you like it, and leave a comment about what you want to be covered in the coming videos.